Let's see if everybody can see it. Okay. So here, okay, it looks like it's popping up now. Good. So this is the Clean Biz Network CRM. So right now I give out Zoom sessions or video sessions, kind of helping people understand some of the the perks that you get with using the CRM. And a lot of people don't realize how much it actually can do and how much time it can actually save once you try to implement it. So one of the things I kind of want to start off with is um, we'll start off with sites first. So with the CRM program, you can actually house your website right on the CRM. And with a lot of CRMs or a lot of website hosts, you don't always have the ability to be able to edit your screens or edit your pages or make changes or anything like that. But with the CRM program, you can actually house your website right here on the CRM program. You can make adjustments, you can make changes, whatever you need to make, you can do that right here.